Yes, so Oga Madam, una well done, or good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever on a day. This na Naija economy gist where they try to break down how the government policies and how central bank policies they affect your pocket. And I'll be your guy, Dr. Toves, and I will bring you the money matter. For today's episode, I go bring you the latest gist where they shake your pocket. And I sure say when I don't hear this one already, and a real money matter. Now the ATM rules, the ATM changes where central bank don't implement or go implement from 1st of March. Before, when you go withdraw for ATM, before you get 3 withdrawals where they don't go charge you. So if you withdraw as many as you want, but you get 3 times where they don't go charge you. But now, for this new policy where they try implement, that free thing don't come out. OT law. So now, anytime where you go withdraw money for another bank, them go charge you. But if you withdraw for your own bank, they don't go charge you. But if you use another bank ATM, they go charge you. And if you go withdraw outside bank, they will even charge you some more. But we'll go break down all of these things. So basically, now CBN don't talk say every time when you withdraw up to 20,000, you must pay 100 Naira charges. Okay, so even if you withdraw 2,000, you withdraw 5,000, you withdraw 10,000, you withdraw 15,000, now 100 Naira you go pay. If you withdraw 20,000, now 100 Naira charges. Okay, but if you go withdraw 40,000, then you go pay 200 Naira charges. If you go withdraw 60,000, you go pay 300 Naira charges. You don't get the gist bar. So anytime when you withdraw up to 20,000, now 100 Naira you go pay. And they never finish it. Like I talk, any ATM where they outside bank. So for example, if you go to withdraw money from POS, or you go all those ATM where they, all those kind of ATM house where they put for road along the road. If you go withdraw for those kind of places, they go charge you even extra apart from the 100 Naira. And though extra surcharge, what do they call them? If you reach up to 500 Naira. So 100 Naira normal charges plus another 500 Naira if you go withdraw outside of a bank. So basically, make sure say they check the screen well of the total whenever you want withdraw, because things hard though. So if you go get like that kind 5,000 for your account, maybe no use ATM. Now, why CBN make these changes? Why then come out the free money? Nobody say that free money they help anybody anyway. But they say banks right now that they spend too much money to they maintain their services and they run themselves. So they try encourage bank to create more ATMs so they go make money and take care of themselves. So CBN know they look after the people, even though technically, yes, they be the banker's bank. They're supposed to look after the bank, but at the same time, they're supposed to look after the people as well. Them know the inflation rate. Them know the interest rate. Them know how everybody they suffer. But yet, they won't look after banks. They won't make banks survive the inflation, which on the one hand, you feel understand, because if banks, Africa, it may say our country don't useless, they don't finish with that. So they have to make sure say our banks, they strong enough to be able to cope with all of the withdrawal, to cope with all of the loans, to cope with all of the inflation and all those kind of things. So on the one hand, they try to look after the banks, but on the other hand, people they suffer. Salary they go up. Petrol price they high. If black market even worse. Diesel they high. Kerosene they high. So they can't add money for withdrawal again. It just hard, man. Things just hard. So waiting this thing mean for me and you, this kind ATM palaver, right? This change is waiting it mean for me and you, mostly you, because I know they to use ATM like that. But waiting it mean for us, it means say we guys stay careful whenever we withdraw money. Anytime we will go withdraw money, we guys stay careful wherever or however we withdraw the money. Okay, like I said, if you go withdraw 5,000 Naira, you go pay 100. If you go withdraw 10,000, you go pay 100. If you go withdraw 20,000, you go pay 100. And if you go withdraw outside of any bank ATM, now 500. So you guys plan yourself. You guys think about how you go get cash. And also, you really need cash. You know if you just transfer money. Because every other country outside Nigeria, most of them don't go cashless. Okay, they know they use cash like that again. The world don't turn what they call cashless economy. And so maybe, anyways, all governments like cashless economy because they feel track how money they move easier than with cash. Maybe now one of the things where they try to do. and they blame it on banks. But on the other hand, if you also mean say Naija, they take style, they develop, they catch up with the rest of the world, even though na suffer we take reach there. You know, they try suffer or some more, now we take reach there because everybody else for the world they use cashless. So at some point, everybody for Naija go use cashless now as well. And it also means that we guys they think twice. If you know one withdraw from normal bank, maybe start think about how to use all these non-traditional bank that them could have them pay. You know, maybe start to use them, and instead of to go withdraw cash from POS, actually use the POS to pay for your bank transaction. I know say we don't trust each other like that for POS and ATM, but the only way not to give bank all this money for now until they decide to start to charge every POS transaction, because we know say Naija government, they always find way to make money from us. You heard it here first. They will do it. Before they implement that charges, for now, just they do bank transfer. If you want to buy anything from market, I know say now what they do already. You know, now if they like to they spend cash, they go ball for club. You know, guys do that again. Make your ATM card the rain. You know, rain down your ATM card and your debit card, those kind of things. So now what we feel do for now, and maybe government guys do something to make sure say like the POS system they're reliable and affordable, because at the end of the day we guys make sure say everybody did better. And especially for those where they village, because village people sometimes bank no day near them, they guys go another town to go withdraw. So how those people go take feel withdraw without paying those charges from their own bank? They guys think about that. More banks, as when they make money, maybe make on a set up for different villages as well, so that people go feel withdraw. Okay, so this now the gist where I get for now today. If you like what you hear or some part of what you hear, I beg make you leave on comments for the comment section below. Make you also press the like button. Make you subscribe the new channel. So I beg I need a subscription well. I need a like well. I need a comments as well. And if you feel do me one extra favor, I beg follow us for social media na Naija Economy Gist for all platform. Instead of NAIJA, na 9 as in the number Naija Economy Gist for everywhere. So we're gonna think about what I talk today. We're gonna go research about ourselves. We're gonna ask questions. We're gonna think about our money. We're gonna plan our money. Until next time, I'll be your guy, Dr. Toves, and I don't bring you the money matter. Okay, signing out. Shine your eyes. Also hard, because ATM, no be small wahala. Peace.